Let go of the pennies, guys, and make room for the loonies, right? Once you get the loonies, it'll be even harder to let go because it'll be more than you've ever had before, right? Entrepreneurship is not about what you have, it's about who you become. What you have is going to come and go when you're in entrepreneurship, right? The best entrepreneurs, they are making and spending a ton of money all the time to keep their operations running smoothly, right? So in entrepreneurship, money is never really an object or the goal or really something that you have, right? It's something you continue to make, and it's something you continue to use to make more or to grow your business. You invest into people, into coaches, into teams, right? It's not about what you have or how much money you have. I made over $1 million in online sales and I'm 21 years old, right? That's cool, but it's more about who I became to me, right? Having the million meant, who cares? That's the first of many in my life. The best part to me is that I invested in what I knew and who I knew first. So just like I got that first million, man, I could turn around and get another million too, right? Because I have the skills and I went all in on me first. Now I can do that again and again and again, right? It's the people who focus only on what they currently have who need to keep getting lucky or who need to make that good investment to get more, right? The entrepreneur, he is all he needs, man. As an entrepreneur, you could make $1 million, you could spend $1 million and make 2 back, right? You could make $1 million, lose $1 million, and not fret because you got the skills. You could just go do that again, but maybe twice as fast this time because you've done it once already. Entrepreneurship, and when you join us at Williams Wealth Creation to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond, entrepreneurship and Williams Wealth Creation is more about who you are becoming than what you have on the way out, right? Yes, you'll have a lot. Yes, you'll make more money than you ever have before, but all of that is going to be because of who you become when you work with us, right? You'll make more money as a symptom of what your business becomes, of what you're able to build, of what your skills bring you, not because of what you have right now. Let go of the pennies, guys, and make room for the loonies, right? Once you get the loonies, it'll be even harder to let go because it'll be more than you've ever had before, right? But once you get the loonies, you'll also have to let go of those to get the $5 bills too, right? And trust me, that's just going to keep going. My name's Spencer Williams. I'm with Williams Wealth Creation. And remember, focus on taking the actions you need to become the person you need to be able to do the things that can get you everything you ever wanted. I'll talk to you soon.